What's going on, beautiful people? Today we will be exploring OpenArt and a new feature they have that allows us to one-click create series of videos. This is a huge step in the realm of filmmaking and making it easier for regular non-technical AI users to do it. So let's hop right in and check it out. Alright, right here we are on the OpenArt website, and if you see, we have a beta tool called One Click Story. Now, if you have used OpenArt before, you know that we have something called characters. And I have created one character, and I am going to make a video on the best practices for these characters because I definitely did make some mistakes with this one. But basically, if you create a character, you will be able to use it inside of One Click Story. We see that I have about 3,300 credits, so one full generation of a character vlog is going to be 1,000 credits, and I'm pretty sure that's the same for these as well. So you have a character vlog, you have a music video, an explainer video, and you can even do it from scratch. And let's just check out an example really quick. So we see it looks very cool, very smooth. I like it a lot. We can even check out this example, which is a music video. Yeah, so you guys get the point. But today we are just going to make a character vlog, and you can even scroll down and see what the community is building, you know, late night bedroom gaming session with a hamster, you know, stuff like that. So we're going to go into character vlog, click create, and so you see all of these different characters that you have. You can even use SpongeBob, view all, you got a few different ones. So let's say we want to use, you know, Pikachu. Let's use Pikachu. You know, everybody loves Pikachu. And so we're going to say Pikachu is a busy CEO, and a busy CEO having a day of work filled with stress. Pikachu is struggling to find a break, and then he discovers an app on his phone that helps him relax. So I am not assuming Pikachu's gender, but we're going to leave it like this. So you choose your character, you put in the vlog topic, and it'll come up with, you know, the actual slides or the actual scenes. So you can use Suno Music, you can upload a song, or you can choose from trending songs. And I'm just going to auto select trending song, and then down in advanced settings you can select your model. Now, what I will say is that the model that does the best with characters is, of course, the character model, and this is from Flux. So you have access to other models, GPT high, medium, low, but we're going to select character for the image model, and then for the actual video model, you know, we can use pretty much any of these, but we're going to go with Kling 2.1 Pro, and we see that it will cost 1,000 credits down here. And so boom, let's see what our first AI vlog is going to look like. So we see here on this page that it first starts off by creating the story script, then it creates the images, and then it creates the videos to the images. So basically the process that we would have done to do this ourselves, you know, go to ChatGPT, get a script, and then get images for the scenes of that script. Like, you can do this yourself. It's just that OpenArt is creating a workflow that does it automatically for you based off of just one prompt. So I think it's a very cool concept. I think more people are going to be doing stuff like this as models get better as well. So I really like it, but let's wait for the final product. All right, so our video has officially completed. Let's take a look. Okay, so if I'm being honest, that did have a lot of problems with it, but we can probably go back and choose a different video model. But it seems like this was really focused on not the first bit of the prompt that it gave me, but the second bit of prompts. So you can go down here and edit this story, and it'll open up this entire editor for you to basically change everything. So each clip is about 3 seconds long, and you see, the different things that were used in creating it and stuff like that. And so if you wanted to change anything, you could here. But that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something. Be sure to check out OpenArt using the link in the description, and also check out all the other affiliate links deeper in the description, and this will work great to help support the channel. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. This has been Delo Brands. Peace.